Are you making these Flutter mistakes? These 5 common mistakes could be slowing down your Flutter app. Let's fix them. Mistake number 1, using setState everywhere. Overusing setState can lead to unnecessary re-renders and poor performance. Solution: use efficient state management like Provider or RiverPod. Mistake number 2, ignoring API error handling. Not handling API errors properly can crash your app or give users a bad experience. Always use try-catch and show proper error messages to users. Mistake number 3, overloading with unnecessary packages. Adding too many dependencies increases app size and build time. Use only essential packages and remove unused dependencies in pubspec.yaml. Mistake number 4, not considering state management. Bad state management can make your app laggy and hard to maintain. Choose the right approach, use Provider, Block, or RiverPod based on your needs. Mistake number 5, not testing for different screen sizes. Your UI might break on different devices if you don't test for responsiveness. Use Media Query, Layout Builder, or Flutter's responsive design principles. Want to build Flutter apps the right way? Like and subscribe for more tips.